Hello everyone, welcome back to the bunkhouse. It's the grand day. I'm going to put my countertop in today. And yeah, you guys are lucky enough to be here to see it. Yay! I'm just going to throw a little power grab down just to take up any bumps and imperfections or whatever. And yeah, or not. Alrighty. Look at that. Those don't even need screws on there. No, I'm going to put them on. I was going to put screws down the middle, but I'm a little worried about stability on it. So I've got my angle brackets. I'm going to put one, probably put them about 8 inches in each side, and then yeah, just screw them to the wall. Alright, so I just marked 6 inches over. Doesn't matter. I mean, it really doesn't matter where that's going to go. It's just going to be way more support. So yeah, there we go. Countertop pretty much done. You got your bracket on, and yeah, not too shabby. Works pretty darn good. You can see if I can catch it just right. See how glossy that is. Shiny. Alright guys, couple more little things to do, but I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.